I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew.
And we are the Crafty Lumberjacks. Welcome back to HGTV Handmade.
And to our neighborhood,
Astoria! What,
hey!
Queens?
All right, so today is the dollar store challenge.
Yes, we're on the way to the dollar store.
Yes.
We decided on a theme, summer fun.
Summer fun.
And we have a budget of $5 to spend each.
Yes, now we wanted to make things interesting. We didn't really know how to do this, so we each wrote down 5 different materials for the other person to use, and we picked one from a hat.
Frame.
I got a pot.
So we're gonna go to the dollar store and pick up those items and make a special craft based on our theme. And we're also gonna throw in a twist. Each of us have $1 to spend to buy the other person a surprise item to incorporate into their craft.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun. We're gonna do this.
We have to.
All right, let's go.
See you in the studio.
All right.
We just got back. We're gonna give ourselves 10 minutes on the clock here, and then we're gonna get crafting. And at the 5-minute mark, we're gonna give each other our surprise items to throw into the other craft.
We're really excited, can you tell?
You ready?
Okay, ready.
And go!
Go. All right.
Okay.
Okay, I got some grass skirts over here.
Basket.
Got
Two
a
for
pot.
$1.
Some rope.
Okay, that's
Got a bingo marker.
I'm keeping mine basic. Got a frame. I got these awesome neon straws, this cute little floral leaf towel, and letters, and some nail polish. What do you got over here?
I don't have a clue, really.
Andrew has seen me in many grass skirts.
That's actually true. So my plan is to make a hanging planter.
Inventive.
Oh, what's your idea?
To updo a frame.
Wow. Oh my God, this is looking like I killed a Smurf in Hawaii. So I'm gonna wrap these around the pot and hopefully give it like a nice shag look. I just thought maybe this would give a little color. I probably should have tested it out on the bottom before committing, but.
Yikes. I don't know. I might take the award for the dollar store challenge here.
All right, calm down, calm down. I'm committing to liking it. That's cute.
All right. Don't look. Surprise time.
All right. Okay, I think I was pretty nice to you.
Uh-huh.
A shower cap?
Women's flip-flops.
Those are unisex.
Okay, 1 minute. Time. Hands up. Andrew. Cheater.
There's no glue.
Hello, summer.
That's really cute. That's so cute.
Yeah, it came together.
Mine wasn't exactly what I was envisioning, but I think it came together in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
What do you? Yeah, I regret nothing. I love what you did with the flip-flop strap. I think that's so cute. I think the cutout flamingo is cute, but the flip-flop strap kind of takes it to the next level. All right, so what are your thoughts? You let us know. Be nice.
Who do you think won the dollar store challenge?
Vote for me if you like the Aloha pot.
And if you like mine, put a comment below that says flamingo frame.
And so what does the winner get?
Takeout?
Okay.
You have to buy dinner?
All right, let's do that.
All right. See you soon.
Bye.